The suffix ment turns verbs into nouns. It shows the result, process, or action of the verb. For example, develop becomes development. Enjoy becomes enjoyment. Move becomes movement. This suffix helps us name the action or its result as a noun. The suffix ment transforms verbs into nouns. Develop plus ment equals development. Enjoy plus ment equals enjoyment. The arrow shows this simple change from verb to noun form. This pattern works with many common English verbs. Here are the main examples. Develop becomes development. Enjoy becomes enjoyment. Move becomes movement. These three pairs show the basic pattern. Notice how ment added to the end creates a noun from each verb. Here are more common words with ment suffix. Agreement, appointment, commitment, argument, improvement, movement, entertainment, development, enjoyment, payment, replacement statement. All these nouns come from verbs plus the ment ending. Development of new technology changed our lives forever. She found great enjoyment reading mystery novels. Notice how development and enjoyment work as nouns in these sentences. They name the process or feeling. Rule 1, add ment directly to most verbs. Move becomes movement. Rule 2, drop the E from verbs ending in E, then add ment. Develop becomes development. These two simple rules cover most ment words. Not every verb uses ment suffix. Some have different endings. Decide becomes decision. Arrive becomes arrival. Refuse becomes refusal. Permit becomes permission. Explode becomes explosion. Learn these common exceptions separately.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.